The first round of room selection for incoming first year students will begin on April 15th, 2020. We have created this video to serve as a step-by-step guide for the room selection process. First, you will navigate to My Res Center by visiting jsu.edu/housing/apply. Once you get to My Res Center, you will need to log in with your MyJSU username and password. Once you have logged in, this is the screen you will see. You will click Select My Room. The next screen will prompt you to select your building. Here you will also see your requested roommate. If you are selecting before your requested roommate, you will pull them in with you and vice versa. From the drop-down menu, you will select your desired building, then click Search. The next screen will show you all the available rooms in your desired building. You will then click on the one you want. Here you will see your selected room. If this is the correct room, click Select this room. And that's all there is to it. If you decide that you want to change your room, you will have until the end of your group's selection period. If it does not show any rooms available, don't worry. This doesn't mean you will not have a room. We will continuously process cancellations, so be sure to check back periodically to see if any rooms have become available. If you have any questions, please contact our office by phone or email. Thank you, and go Gamecocks!